lesson today on environmental activities for grade 2, we are going to learn about environment and its resources, and our substrate is animals. Our specific learning outcomes will be, by the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to 1. Categorize different animals in the environment, and 2. To recognize animals in the immediate environment. My dear learner, first of all, you should know what the environment is. Environment is the area that is around us, and resources are those things that give us money. For example, plants, animals, soil, and water. Those are resources that help us to get money. And before we come to the body of our lesson, I'll start by saying short poem, and you read after me. God made all things. He made big and small animals. Some animals live with us, others live in the world. Some animals are our friends, other animals are dangerous. So, when we come to animals, we categorize them in different ways depending on a criteria. And we have 3 criteria that are used to categorize the types of animals that we have. So the first criteria we have to categorize our animals, the first one is domestic or one animal. And soon we'll be looking at what a domestic animal is and a one animal. The second criteria we'll be looking at is large or big. That is the other one for large, or if an animal is small. And the third criteria that we'll look at is harmful or non-harmful animal. So we start with the first criteria, which is a domestic animal or a one animal. So what is a domestic animal? Domestic animals are those animals that we keep at home. My dear learner, in your environment, in your home, you have several animals which you live with where you are. For example, a cow, a goat, a sheep, a donkey, or a camel, and many others. Even dogs are domestic animals. Then those that are not kept at home, they are called wild animals. And where do we find them? They are found in the bush, in the reserves, or in the game parks. And we have several examples, like an elephant. You find it in the national park or a game reserve, a lion, a zebra, and a rhino. So that is the first criteria of domestic or one animal. So the ones at home are domestic, the ones in the bush are one animals. The second criteria of categorizing our animals is large. We said the other one for large is big animal or small animal. Examples of the big animals that we have hippopotamus, we have a giraffe, we have an elephant, we can have a rhino, a buffalo, and many others. Small animals, we have examples like rats, a cat, a chicken, and a butterfly, and many others like ants. So that is the second criteria. The third criteria of categorizing animals is harmful animal or non-harmful animal. What we mean by harmful? These are the ones that bring diseases or cause harm to human beings and other things, not only human beings. For example, a snake is poisonous. When it bites you, it is harmful because it is poisonous. A tick goes to the cows, and when they attack our animals, the domestic animals, they fall sick. Flea is also another small harmful animal. A mosquito, you all know what a mosquito does, and when we sleep without a mosquito net, we get malaria. So it spreads malaria. We have a fly, which is also harmful. House flies also fall in this group of flies, whereby they come and touch our phones when they are from the toilets, and they spread diseases, whereby we can get a disease like cholera and typhoid. Then we also have another harmful animal, the ants. When the ant bites you, you can also be sick because it can leave some poison in your body. When we come to non-harmful animals, these ones do not harm us. Although if they are attacked, they can do harm. So an example is a chicken. Chicken is very calm unless you disturb it. A cat is also very calm, but if you disturb it when it is eating, for example, meat, it will also harm you. So you have to be very careful. Even if we say it's not harmful, we keep them as pets. Also some dogs, we keep them as pets because we believe they are not harmful. But you have to be very careful when playing around with them. So that is what categorization of animals is all about, my dear learner. So at the end of this, I will ask you some questions. The one question I will ask you to name one domestic animal that you have in your home. Second question, I want you to draw for me 5 big animals. Then you color them. And until we meet next time, bye-bye.